Welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's a medium problem, and I guess in the future we only solve medium problems. So we solved about 60 one easy problems, and I guess it's good start for us to be finished with the easy problems. So from now on we start most of the time it will be only medium problems. The problem said that you are giving two non-empty linked lists represented two non-negative integers. The digits are sorted in reverse order, so it's like you can see right now, and each of their nodes contains a single digit. Add the two numbers and return the sum as a linked list. You may assume the two numbers do not contain any leading zero. Expect the number 0 itself. Okay. So for this example, we have 2 and 5 equals 7. 4 and 6 equals 10. But we put the 0 and take the 1 with us, and we added 3 and 4 equals equals 8. So how can we solve this problem? So the way that we can solve this problem is there's two ways. First of all, we can just put the numbers like together. Let's just go to the sketch. And let's say that, let's just put this one again. It's no, it's, yeah, this one. 2, 4, 3. We have 2, 4, and 3. And we have 5, 6, 4. And we have 5, 6, 4. And the result should be 708. Okay, 708. This is not good. 8. Okay, it's better. Okay, so let's just see how we can play with this one. So let's assume for a minute that the way that we can solve this problem, first of all, that we can just add, like, get to the first one, add it to the second one, and we got the result and push it directly. However, we only should have one digit for each node. So if we did the same thing with 4 and 6, and we have 10, and 10 it's more than one digit, that means we can't add it. So how we can do, we just put the 0 and have 1 and add the 1 to its next. So how can we have this one? We could create a a carry function, a carry variable that makes sure that if the number is bigger than 10, that we carry it, we increase it by 1, and this one will be added to the sum of 3 and 4, and I guess that's it. So let's just try to code it. So first of all, I will just create, because we are creating a new list, so I will just let dummy head, it will equals new, because we have list node here, it will be new list node, and it will be 0. Okay, this is on 0, it will be 0, and I will say current will be this, current will equals this dummy head, and on top of this head we will start to build our new list. So I will say, first of all, I will say let carry equals 0, and I will say while L1 doesn't equal null. Okay, we'll start right now to loop and just add the sum for each element. So I want to say while L1 doesn't equal null, or L2 doesn't equal null, or carry doesn't equals 0. So basically for this for this carry doesn't equal 0, let's say that we have maybe the last element are more than 9. So we have to increase one, we have to add a new element. So we say let x will equals, if we have L1 it will be L1 dot val, right? We have something called val, yeah, it's L1 dot val, otherwise it would be 0. And also y it will be L2 dot val, otherwise it will be 0. And the sum, let sum will equals x plus y plus whatever we have from the carry, if we have anything. And if this sum bigger than 10, I will see the carry, sum, I will see the carry equals math.flow sum divided by 10. And I will say current dot next equals a new list node sum modded by 10, because we said that we can't have any character, just one digit, we can have more than that. So, and we'll say the current will equals current dot next, so we can build the new things, because we first of all we modified the current it will be the actual sum. The actual sum, and we start from current the next, and I will say L1 equals, if L1 we have, it will be L1 dot next, otherwise it will be null. And I will say the same about L2, and I'm returning the dummy head dot next, because we're starting from dummy head dot next. Dummy head dot next, just return it. New list node is not defined. What? Sorry. Okay, so let's see that how we solve this problem. First of all, that we have our dummy head, that we start from it, and we try to build our new list on top of it. We have the current, which it will be the current node that we will loop based on this current loop, and we current node. And we have the carry. The carry's purpose is that if we have two numbers, the sum of them is bigger than 9, we will just put 0 and take the carry and put it to the carry. And we created a while loop. I'm saying while we have the list 1, does the list 1 have elements, or the list 2 have elements, or the carry is bigger than 1, basically, or doesn't equals 0. I will say let x equals 1, let x equals L1 dot value, but I have just to check if there is L1 dot value, and y equals L2 dot value, but I also have to check if L2 has a value, if there is L2. And the sum, it will be x plus y plus the carry, if we have any carry from the previous nodes, and the carry will be equals math.flow sum divided by 10, and if it wasn't 1, it will be 0 basically. So current.next equals a new list node, and it's modded by tens, because to make sure that we only have one character and one digit, because if it's 6 it will be 6, if it's 9 it will be 9, it will be the same. However, it will be 10 if it's 10, or more than that it will be like if it's 10 it will be 0, if it's 11 it will be 1. Yeah, so we have current equals current dot next. So we're starting from current dot next, and we just updating the L1 and L2, so we can keep add more basically to the list. And we start with the we return the next, because we don't have to return the dummy head, because the dummy head is 0 anyway. So that's it for today's video. I hope that my solution was quite good, and see you in future problems.